Hi everyone, according to my project concept at 81, today I will continue to introduce my visual environment design secret garden and highlight the using of relevant colors, sounds and interactions, and also the critical thinking. I use creative thinking to envision a unique and enchanting environment and capture the dream. The user is experienced by creating an environment at a visual, applying an immersive and engaging. An enhanced aesthetic attention is a bright and refreshing color, and paying attention to the overall beauty. And onto the emotion and create a memorable experience for the user. So the use of a bright color and the natural sounds. Be open to design concept and idea and conventional ones to achieve a dream atmosphere, including detail in texture, lighting, and sound. My design is based on feedback and user testing to improve the overall experience. And how to solve a design problem in using 81 the research and mobile of design sketch and can run the intention, the dream scenario. Choose the Google Truth pattern that goes with my dream theme, such as a bright color tone, and using environmental sounds such as a soft wind and sound and the light. A light melodic music to the immersive using in a dream world. Interactivities made and encoding small color changes mushroom that change color when it click the mushroom. The player who pass by the golden mushroom will hear a sound and the feeling change from day to light. This might the design process. And even based in primary color in secondary color. And follow the study, you will understand the color principle and study how to using the right color in our design, and by setting the primary color. Look this, and let's understand the environment design. Visual hierarchy such as the tracking grasses and in the how-to movement. I have three the areas, and you can look in here and different elements of here such as mushroom space, flower, pervading area. The color contrast between the grass and the road surface make it easy to see the path. In my 3D environment has a fantastic theme. I sketch objects over here. Then I design the object over here, and mushroom color using Adobe Color Wheel. I created a color object. So I switched to Maya software to create my objects. In this case, I use a UV map to design my objects. And texture, I use brush tools to draw my objects. A texture scale, put in the color made in the Photoshop over here. Yeah. Also, I add some of the fill elements over here, and it's Maya's and. It's for the Unity package, and such as a tree, grasses, and the bridge. And impression is over here. Atmosphere is like a spring atmosphere, so the bright and vivid color rendering. And this is my sound design. I got outside and got recording for state and breathe sound up, broad sound and wind. This background music online. I use the software to add my voice, add my song, and I use a Soundition to create my music, but it's not match my unit model, so I didn't use it. It's some design processor here, and my interaction design, my script over here, script part of here. I using the public and the private, and change color and number, and got a speech and something like that. And use a trigger. I made a door set trigger, and after play into the house, you can hear the wind sound. This is my reflectable, and model part of is a photo and mode detail and color match environment. And I fixed some issue in from the morning to evening. It's 4 step the issue, and go to my show you the issue as a voice. Yeah, let's look at my Unity environment. Trigger the door. I need to fix my golden mushroom sound. When I cross the grass, yeah, I want to add some grass sound over here. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for your listening.